Ever wish you could keep your Minecraft players within a specific area, maybe to limit exploration or on a server? Good, today we'll be covering how to set up a world border in Minecraft, which is a configurable barrier that prevents players from going into the vast unknown and can be a great way to shape the gameplay of your world. The process uses built-in features, which is also very simple and can be used in your single-player world and multiplayer servers. First, make sure you have the necessary permissions. You'll need to be an operator or admin, meaning you have permission to use commands. Now, it's time to open the chat. You can usually do this by pressing the T key. The first thing we will learn is how to set the world border. This is done by typing a command. After you are done, use the command to activate your world border. The main part of the command will include the border size, which will determine how large or small your playable area will be, measured from the world center. This border can be in a square to whatever size you desire to manage. Now, players, if they attempt to go beyond the border, will encounter a barrier where they may not travel any further. If a player attempts to go beyond the border, they start to encounter a special barrier that stops the player, and they can't cross it. Also, there is an attribute of the actual world border. The border will shrink or expand. This feature helps introduce limitations to gameplay, and the shrinking border is most often used in survival. So, that's how to make a world border in Minecraft. Remember to experiment with the commands and customize the border to fit your world's needs. Thanks for watching.